Hey besties! I'm your bestie Ritzy and welcome to my channel. For today's video, sasamahan niyo ako gumawa ng ube cheese ice cream cake. It may sound a little complicated to make, but madali lang magawin. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, gawin natin. Una, yung mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng ube condensed milk, cheese, cake bar, at dalawang all-purpose cream. Dapat chilled na siya, ha? Pagkatapos na natin i-prepare yung mga kailangan, let's move on sa procedure. Kukuha lang ako ng bowl. As you can see, dalawang magkaibang brands yung ginamit ko dito at okay lang po yun. Ngayon naman gagamit tayo ng mixer to transform the all-purpose cream into whipped cream or to achieve a fluffy consistency. Eto na nga, kapag i-chill nyo po yung all-purpose cream, sa ibaba ng ref nyo po ilagay ha. Huwag sa freezer. Kasi naman, nakalimutan kong sa freezer ko nilagay at yun, tumigas siya. So, bale, hand food blender lang po yung ginamit ko for today's video kasi wala po tayong hand mixer. After mga 10 minutes, ganito na yung kanyang itsura. Pero kung gagamit naman kayo ng mixer, mas fluffy yung consistency ng mixture ninyo. Now, I'm going to add some egg. Okay, hear me out. You don't want to do the same thing. It is because you were supposed to add only the egg yolks. But did you know the main reason why we add egg yolks to our ice cream mixture? Well, egg yolks do contain fat which freezes softer than water does, helping ice cream remain creamy after freezing. Pagkatapos ng pagmimix natin, ito na yung kakalabasan. Ganito na yung consistency ng ating ice cream mixture and what you really want to achieve is this, yung tinatawag na soft peaks. Light and fluffy. Next is to add our ube condensed milk. Ilalagay lang natin ito ng dahan-dahan para makontrol natin yung tamis. But if you're feeling too extra, you can make ube halaya or maybe buy some and yun na lang ilagay mo dito instead of ube condensed milk. Ngayon naman, mag-slice na tayo ng cheese. Of course, you can choose any, but I am using the brand Keso. Very affordable. So, ayan, in-slice ko lang ng maliliit kagaya neto at ilalagay na natin sa ating ice cream mixture. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Kung nahihirapan kayo mag-slice ng cheese kasi nga naman madikit siya sa kutsilyo, then just use grater. O, diba? Sabi nga nila, work smarter, not harder. Now, get some container because we will start layering. Kunin natin yung cake bar. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng kahit anong cake bar like lava cake, inipit, cheesecake, mga ganun, your choice. Bubuksan ko lang mga to. Yung flavor nito ay custard, pero maaari din namang pandan, chocolate, etc. Kayo na bahala kung anong babagay nyo sa ube at cheese, ha? So, ganito natin yan ilalagay sa container. Pero teka, balatan ko muna. Dahil gusto ko ng dalawang layer ng cake sa gagawin nating ice cream cake, hinati ko yung cake bar para magkasya. Pagkatapos, i-press lang natin para umayos siya. And then, ready nang lagyan ng ating ice cream mixture. Scoop lang tayo, then i-transfer na natin sa container. Ayan. Ang ganda naman talaga ng ating ice cream mixture. Oh my gosh, hindi pa siya nilalagay sa freezer pero gusto ko nang kainin. Char. After nyan, ilalagay ko lang sa freezer ng mga 30 minutes para tumigas onte. At ito ay para hindi lumubog yung pang second layer ng ating cake at ice cream mixture. Then, ilalagay na natin yung second layer ng ating cake. So, bali, nagamit ko lahat ng 1 pack ng fudgy bar. I just added some Rice Krispies for added texture. So, if you don't have this, you can add pinipig instead. Or if wala naman, well, you don't have to. Bound to our last ice cream mixture layer, ilagay na natin lahat. Pak! Kaganda, bestie. Tapos na yung work. We just have to put it in the freezer for about like 6 to 12 hours or overnight. Well, honestly, wala pang 12 hours yung nakaraan sa clip na to. Gutom na nga kasi. Gusto ko nang tikman. Okay, let's go. Try na natin. Medyo tumigas na yung mga to, pero may onting tunaw part pa, pero carry bells. Gosh, bestie, ang sarap talaga ng ube ice cream. Idagdag mo pa yung cheese. Perfect combination, Zay. Eto na nga yung kinabukasan. Tumigas na ng maayos yung ice cream and in fairness, hindi siya yung may ice crystals na tigas. Creamy and thick lang siya. It is because of the egg that we added. Again, just use the egg yolk part kung gagawa kayo. You definitely must try this recipe sometime. And one thing, don't use too much condensed milk. Mine was too sweet. Kadadagdag ko ng condensed milk dahil nakukulangan ako sa tingkad ng kulay. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did in making this foodie, please leave a like and comment down below any suggestions you want me to try on my next video. With that being said, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.